Hey guys, this is Dave with JoesGE and Electronics here with a Fitbit Charge 2 tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the back housing from a Fitbit Charge 2. All the parts and tools that will be used in this video are available on our website at JoesGE.com and are linked below. So the first tool I use to take off the screen cover is this GB5A pry tool. And when I take the screen cover off, the first thing I look for is this Fitbit logo on the top of the unit. If you start from the bottom, there's a possibility that you may damage the ribbon and you will have to replace your LCD if that's the case. So when you start from the top, you want to go ahead and carefully dig it into the corner so it's stuck like that. After you get it in the corner, just put your pry tool across the whole screen and then pry up like that. It should come up really easy. When you have that squared away, your ribbon will be connected to the connector here. There's going to be a little clip here that you pry up so that you can take your LCD out real easy like that. Set that aside. Grab your Phillips screwdriver, and the metal shield is connected by two Phillips screws. So you want to go ahead and unscrew those. Move your shield along with your screws aside. Next, you get to the board, and the back housing is connected to the board through a ribbon. So I like to take a plastic pry tool so that I'm not connecting metal on metal to the ribbon, so that I'm not damaging the connectors. Get under there and go ahead and pry that up. Once you have the ribbon pried up and it's no longer connected, find a spot, it doesn't really matter where, and pry your board up, which is connected to the battery. And there's your back housing. When you go to replace it, you want to put it in to where the ribbon would connect to the connector. It slides in real easy. So when you put the board back in the housing, you want to connect your back housing ribbon to the board. It should connect really easy. You'll feel it clip in. When you have that squared away, go ahead and put your metal shield over your board. Put the screws back in. And it doesn't matter which screw you put where, whether it's on the bottom or the top, because they're both the same size. When you have that done, there's going to be a piece of tape here. You want to go ahead and just take that off. And put your LCD ribbon back into the slot. Before you clip the screen cover back into the housing, you want to make sure and close the little clip here so that the LCD ribbon stays put, and you just clip it in like that. There you have it. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.